Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad. In my last lecture, I have discussed so many things related to teacher education. Now, in the present lecture, I will discuss the aim and objectives of teacher education at secondary level. You know, what is adolescence? In secondary education, we focus on it. Teacher education at the secondary level focuses on preparing educators to meet the specific academic and developmental needs of adolescents, ensuring they are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and ethical standards necessary for effective teaching and guidance. This is the period which is very crucial. At this period, every child is needed for a good guidance. What is good, what is bad, where should we go, where should not go, what are the things we should follow, what are the things we should not follow, which type of subject we should take for the career, and which type of subject we should not take for the career. So, this period is very important for them. And for this period, we are having so many aims and objectives of teacher education at that time. If I say, as I told you earlier, in this period, every child is needed a good guidance related to the career. So, the very first thing is advancement of subject expertise. Teachers at the secondary level acquire deep knowledge and proficiency in the subjects they teach, including mathematics, science, language, social sciences, and vocational subject. This expertise enables them to deliver comprehensive and engaging instruction that prepare them for a higher education or a career pathway. Now, the second is pedagogical skills for adolescents learners. The program emphasizes teaching methodologies tailored to the cognitive, emotional, and social development of the adolescent. Teachers learn strategies to foster critical thinking, problem solving abilities, and independent learning among them. They also master classroom management techniques that promote a positive and inclusive learning environment. Now, the next is curriculum development and implementation. Teachers are trained in curriculum design and implementation to ensure alignment with educational standard and the specific needs of secondary children. They develop skills in creating dynamic lesson plan, integrating technology into teaching practices, and using varied instructional methods to cater to diverse learning style. When I talk about secondary education, this is so vast and this is very important in every child. Inclusive education and diversity. I have already discussed this point in my earlier lectures. Teacher education programs promote inclusive practices that accommodate the diverse learning needs and backgrounds of secondary children. Teachers learn to differentiate instruction, provide individualized support, and collaborate with special educators and counselors to address the need of all learners, including those with disabilities or learning challenges. Because each child in a class is not same. Every child is different in the class. Now, the next is ethical and professional standard. Ethical conduct and professional standard are the core components of secondary level teacher education. Teachers learn about ethical principles in education, students confidently, and maintaining respectful relationship with the students, colleagues, and the community. They are prepared to uphold high standard of integrity and professionalism throughout their careers. Preparation for lifelong learning. Teacher education encourages continuous professional development to ensure teachers remain current with educational research, technology advancement, and teaching methodologies. Teachers engage in ongoing learning opportunities such as workshops, seminars, and advanced coursework to enhance their subject knowledge and instructional practice. These are the things which are necessary to cater the secondary level. Teacher education at the secondary level aim to produce competent and dedicated educators who can effectively educate, inspire, and guide them. By focusing on advanced subject expertise, tailored pedagogical skills, inclusive practices, ethical standard, and lifelong learning, teacher education programs prepare teachers to meet the diverse need of secondary students and contribute positively to their academic and personal growth. Secondary level teachers have several key responsibilities. They do so many tasks. They deliver their things, their subject matter in a very innovative way so that each student can understand the basics of the subject and the key points of it. They plan and they deliver their lessons that meet the curriculum standard and engage them through diverse teaching methods. They bring them to the labs, they bring them to the classroom, they bring them to the outside of the classroom with various teaching methods. They do teaching. They provide their subject expertise for them. They manage the classroom environment, provide a holistic development for them. So the student's behavior can ensure a good learning space. Teachers provide academic and emotional support for them because this period is very crucial for them. So many physical changes are coming in them. So many emotional high steps are coming in them. They think about the friendship, about the career, about the relationship, about so many things at that time. So, the good guidance of a teacher can take them to the highest of success. A good teacher can be emotional support for them. So many things they hide from their parents, so many things they hide from their friends, from their siblings. But if a teacher is emotional, if a teacher is supportive to them, they share their things with him or her and get the good guidance. Whether it is personal or the education challenges or the part of career thing. They also collaborate with colleagues, communicate with the parents of them, and participate in professional development to enhance their skill. So many things are there like seminars, workshop, action research paper they do, they publish their things, they provide their subject matter for them. So many things are here. the secondary level, teachers and the students are very connected, are very well managed if a teacher education provide a good being manner to them. They also collaborate with parents in a well-being manner so they can share the good and the bad things of their children. And the teacher is enabled to understand the real situation of them and solve them during the classroom. Additionally, they contribute to the curriculum development. Which subject is necessary to them? Which topic is necessary to them? Which is unnecessary for them? Which is not important for them? Everything they do in a record. They provide the things for the management. They maintain an accurate records of each and every data of the student and added to school policies and educational regulations. Each regulation can be processed by the hand of a teacher and it is forwarded for the children. So, for the secondary level, each policy, each system, each situation, everything is important for the teacher. So, teacher education play a very vital role at this time period. Thank you so much. Feel free to ask any question in my next lecture.